Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see admission notification. So here the PhD notification from IIT Roorke. So the last date for application is 3rd of April. So the application cost is 200 for the OBC and then the general category. It is 100 rupees for the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribe of those who are in the reserve category. So you have to specify with the online application that which you want to get admission in as a preference. So only one online application is enough for this. So mostly IIT Roorke has its own engineering streams as well as renewable energy included. So in this humanities also there. So those who have MA, pursued MA, they can also apply. So the application must need to clarify with clear with one national level examination. One is GATE examination, otherwise UGC NET, otherwise CSIR NET. So they will get a fellowship from the concerned authorities like UGC or else AICTE. So here the institute fellowship also available. The foreign nationals, those who are willing to apply, they can also apply for IIT Roorke PhD admission. So in this session, the attempt session, like IIT Roorke is giving a minimum fellowship only. So you can apply and you can get to a chance to join with IIT Roorke. So if you would like to get more admission notifications, so you can please do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel so that you will get instant updates. Thank you.